Using the wrong products on your Rivian's upholstery can change the original appearance and even damage the surface. Here's the right way to preserve these unique materials while preserving the factory feel and appearance. Upholstery Cleanser and Upholstery Cream is a two-product system engineered specifically for Rivian upholstery to keep it pristine and soft for the most comfortable interior possible. So where do you use these products? You can use them on the seats, dashboard, center consoles, armrests, and door panels. Upholstery Cleanser is formulated to penetrate the surface and lift embedded contaminants so they can be wiped away. It uses grapeseed oil to moisturize and keep material from drying out. Upholstery Cream conditions material to keep the surface soft and supple. It uses fermented maize extract to open the pores in the material. Upholstery Cream is non-greasy and non-slippery, and it maintains the factory original appearance. Application is easy. Simply spray the cleanser onto the upholstery to be cleaned, then massage the cleanser over the surface using a clean microfiber towel, and then flip to a dry side to remove any residues. Apply the conditioning cream using a soft, clean terry cloth applicator, and then thoroughly massage over the surface. Re-wipe the surface using a clean microfiber towel to remove any excess. Upholstery Cleanser removes oily grime, while Upholstery Cream softens and moisturizes the upholstery. Both products are available on Rivian Gear Shop individually or as a part of the Rivian Interior Care Kit.